Dazzling Mentee.
Hi kids, how are you? Today we will learn the basics of English reading. I have seen my little angels are facing lot of difficulties while reading. Okay, so there are various stages to improve the reading. English is a tricky language and it has how many letters? 26 letters. And you already know every letter is having different sounds, and in English alphabet there are vowels also. And how many vowels? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 vowels and they are having different sounds. Just like A sound is, you have to open the mouth big and you have to open the mouth very little. A. Just like E sound is E. You have to show your teeth in the mouth, E. And second sound is E. You have to open little mouth and what you will say? E. The third sound is E. And I. You have to open your full mouth. I. And E. And E. You have to open your mouth like this. Next sound is of A. You have to open your full mouth. What you will say? Ow. And O. Little mouth open. Little mouth open. O. And the last sound is A. Little mouth open. A. And U. Here in U, you turn your lips like this and the sound will come out U. So that's why we are saying English is a tricky language. English is a tricky language. Okay. So now children, skill 1 to improve the reading. Skill 1. So children, skill 1 is this. We have to clear the concept of L. If in between the word something is written, that is called L because it is small. Because it is small letter. When small letter and like this state one is written in between the word, that is called L. That is called L. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now, my second example of one is here. You can see here when the sentence is written, again one is there. What is this? Now, it is alone. It is alone. You can see it is alone. Every word is with its family, but it is alone. Means it is capital. It is capital. So this one is called I. Here this one is called I. Our little angels are always confused between these two one. They are saying, Mama, what is this? Here also one, here also one, but sometimes in the word also one. So to clear this concept, you just clear them. The concept of capital and small L and I. Now on the whiteboard I'll write so that the concept will be very clear to everyone. Yes, skill 1. If small one is there, that is called L. If big or capital, I can say capital. Instead of separate, I want to write capital, so that you also know capital means alone, alone, alone. That is called, that one is called I. I hope skill 1 is clear to everyone to improve the reading skill. Now we will do second skill. Now skill number 2. Skill number 2, in while reading, double O is written, double E is written, double L is written, double F is written, double I is written, double K is written. So what is this? While reading, what we have to do, if double I is there, we have to take out the sound E. You have to join the lips and let it be bold, and the sound will come out E. Elaborate it. If sound double K is there, K. If double O is there, what you will say? O. You have to, if suppose single O is there, we are saying O. O. Okay. But when double O is there, what you will say? Oh, air is coming out like this. Oh, if double E is there, E. If double L is there, L. If double F is there, F. Now, with various examples, we will understand how to write it. Okay. Now, the examples are: number 1, quarreling. Here, double R is here. So, what we will say? R. Quarreling. Second example is running. Here, double N is here. Run. Okay. Third example is disagreement. Here, double E is here. So, what we will say? E. Fourth example is hooray. Hooray. Here double R is here. R. Now the third skill, the sounds, various sounds. Suppose G and H is written there, the sound is G, because H sound is always H and G sound is always G. So we combined it, and what we will say? G. If S and H is written in the word, what we will say? Sh. What we will say? Sh. If P and H is written there, what we will say? F. F. As if we separate them, P is P, sound is P. But when we combined it with the H, the sound will be F. F. I hope the skill 3 is also clear to everyone. Now the fourth skill. Some words are silent in reading. Silent, such as fighting. Fighting. In fighting, H is silent. Fighting. Fighting. Simply we are taking out the air from our mouth for H. Okay? We are not saying her, but we are saying fighting. Next word is blue. Blue. Here E is silent. Blue. Okay. Now last but not the least, and parents, what you have to do, you show them few lines of their book, maybe 4 or 5 lines, and let the child read those lines for 5 times only. But I'm saying for 5 times only the child will read those 5 lines, and in the end the drastic changes you will see. The child can read those 5 lines very fluently. Maybe in first line, in second line they will face difficulties, but what you have to do, you just give them 5 lines and the child has to repeat those 5 lines 5 times. If you like this video, please leave a comment below so that it will encourage me to make some more videos regarding these. I'm waiting for your comments. Till then, bye bye.